So Mike here at GM Bolt, we do a lot of really neat little kits like this. This is a door lock installation kit, and this is pretty much a kit that has the hole saw bit in there, plus the pilot for the hole saw, and as well as a jig or a guide to drill a hole so that you can install your own doorknob. And oftentimes that's a problem that people run into. They can hang the door and everything, but lining up the doorknob. And this is a little kit designed to do that, and it's about in the $20 range, so it's not a bad deal. We sell quite a few of them. Anyway, give us a call.